kay John Bert, oh my God, he's such a sweet kid. Makikita mo sa kanya na, alam mo yon, he's very confident. Talagang napaka masayahin niya. And hindi siya nahihiya na ipakita kung sino siya. Like, look, this is me. I'm enjoying, and this is how I sing, you know. Like, talagang nag-ano siya, nagre-resonate siya sa buong pagkatao niya. And nararamdaman namin yung overall mood niya and yung vibe niya and yung personality niya. I think yun yung pinaka-the best kay John Bird. Napakabait and alam mo yun, ano niya, yung very warm. It's very, very warm. Kaya, ayun, naantig din yung puso ko. Kidala ako mamili. But, yeah, I love those kids. Talagang napalapit din ako sa kanila kahit na, alam mo yun, kilala ako mamili. Ako, that's, yun, katulad din nung kay Janelle, pareha sila na meron very optimistic sa outlook in life. Na, madami pong opportunities na darating for me. I mean, ano lang, buti nakatungtong ako dito sa The Voice Kids. And alam kong proud sila na nandito sila. And I couldn't be more, proud of them. Na as early as this young age, may mga na-achieve na agad sila. So, ayun. I'm still rooting for those kids. And definitely, they have a very bright future.